Hello everybody, welcome back to Food Channel. We all love biryanis because of its flavor. So today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom biryani. First let's see the ingredients required for the biryani. So I've taken 3 cups of Siraga Samba rice. This is also one kind of rice that we use here for biryanis. You can also use basmati rice. And then I've taken 400 grams of mushrooms, cut it into cubes, and then dry spices like one cinnamon stick, I've broken it into pieces, about 4 cloves and 3 cardamoms, quarter teaspoon peppercorns, 1 small star anise, and about 2 bay leaves. You can use the whole spices as per your choice. And then 3 medium sized onions, I've cut it into thin slices. About 5 small tomatoes, a few mint leaves and coriander leaves, and 3 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, and about this is coconut milk. I've taken 1.5 cups of coconut milk. You have to take shredded coconut or whole coconut and grind it in the blender, and you can take the milk. And then ghee required for tempering. Next we need to make a masala for the biryani. So we have to grind it in the mixie. So for that I've taken a handful of coriander leaves and mint leaves, about 4 green chilies and 2 red chilies. You can take this as per your choice, as per your taste. And then 1 cinnamon stick and 4 cloves and 3 cardamoms and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. So first we are going to grind all this in the mixie and we are going to make the masala paste. So before starting to prepare the biryani, let's soak the rice. It has to be soaked for about half an hour. This is Siraga Samba rice, so it has to be soaked for half an hour. If you use basmati rice, you can soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes. That will be enough. And the biryani masala paste is also ready. So now let's start preparing the biryani. So today we are going to make the biryani in a cooker. So I've added 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. After it's hot, we are going to add all the whole spices, and then the onion, fry the onion till it's slightly golden brown. The onions are golden brown. Next we are going to add in the ginger garlic paste. And then the grinded masala paste. Mix it together and then let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next add in the tomatoes. And about little salt for the tomatoes to cook. Allow this to cook till the oil separates. Now the tomatoes and masala are cooked. Next we are going to add in the mushrooms. Allow this to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes with all the masala. Next add in the soaked rice. Stir it well. Next we are going to add in the water and the coconut milk. For Siraga Samba rice I need 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. So totally we need 6 cups. So I have 1.5 cups of coconut milk. And next I am adding 4.5 cups of water. So in case you are taking basmati rice, you need 1.5 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. We are going to mix it all together. Add a required amount of salt. And chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. At this stage you can check the seasoning, and in case you need extra spice or salt, you can add red chili powder for spice. At the end, add about 1 tablespoon of ghee at the top. You don't need to mix it. We just have to close the cooker and leave it for about 1 whistle. Now the biryani is cooked. Let's open and check it. Give it all a nice mix. Don't mix it a lot, otherwise the rice will start breaking. So now our tasty mushroom biryani is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do try this recipe at your home and leave your comments below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Food Channel. Thank you. Bye.